Have you ever seen something so massive, so futuristic, that it makes you wonder, is this even real? Because right now, in the heart of China, cities are rising that look like they belong in the year 2100. Bridges that disappear into the clouds, highways that run across oceans, skyscrapers shaped like living organisms, and entire floating cities powered only by the sun. These are not science fiction stories. They are happening right now, and they're changing how the world thinks about engineering forever. Let's step inside the future, a future built by China. It begins with one simple idea: scale. While other countries plan for projects that take decades, China builds entire megacities in just a few years. Take Shenzhen, for example. 40 years ago, it was a fishing village. Today, it's home to over 12 million people and some of the world's most advanced tech companies. The city skyline looks like something out of a cyberpunk movie. Glowing towers, sky bridges, and roads that flow like rivers of light. Now imagine a building that breathes. The Shanghai Tower, the second tallest building in the world, twists gently into the sky to reduce wind pressure. It generates its own power through turbines and captures rainwater to cool itself. It's not just tall, it's alive. But that's only one piece of the puzzle. Underneath China's cities lies a hidden world, underground transit systems stretching for thousands of miles. Trains glide silently at speeds over 350 miles per hour. In just over a decade, China has built the largest high-speed rail network on Earth, more than the rest of the world combined. And they're not stopping there. They're building maglev trains, levitating on magnets with almost no friction, capable of reaching speeds up to 600 kilometers per hour. Imagine traveling from Beijing to Shanghai, 1,000 kilometers, in less than 3 hours. Now let's go even deeper. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge stretches more than 55 kilometers, connecting major cities across the Pearl River Delta. It's the longest sea-crossing bridge ever built. A true wonder of modern engineering. To build it, engineers had to create artificial islands and underwater tunnels, while surviving brutal weather, powerful tides, and earthquakes. But they did it, because in China, the phrase "too difficult" simply doesn't exist. And speaking of impossible, let's talk about mountains. The Dugai-Beipanjiang Bridge hangs more than 560 meters above a canyon, higher than the Eiffel Tower. It connects two mountain provinces that were once separated by days of travel. Now it takes less than 2 minutes to cross. From the air, it looks like a thread of steel floating between the clouds. From the ground, it feels like you're looking at something humans shouldn't have been able to build. But even that wasn't enough. China decided to build entire cities that float. In provinces like Anhui and Shandong, floating solar farms stretch for miles across lakes and reservoirs. Each panel follows the sun, generating power for hundreds of thousands of homes. Beneath the surface, the water cools the panels, making them even more efficient. It's innovation meeting nature, perfectly balanced. Then came the next leap. Smart cities powered by artificial intelligence. In places like Hangzhou, streetlights talk to each other. Traffic systems predict jams before they happen. AI cameras monitor air quality, waste management, and even energy use, making the entire city self-regulating. Imagine living in a place where the city itself is alive, constantly learning, adapting, and improving. That's not the future. That's China right now. And while these megastructures dominate the skyline, the real magic lies in how they connect people. Through the Belt and Road Initiative, China is building ports, bridges, and railways that connect more than 60 countries, linking Asia, Africa, and Europe in one continuous network. It's the largest infrastructure project in human history. Every bridge, every tunnel, every highway is a piece of a global puzzle, designed to keep trade, energy, and people flowing together. The engineering behind these projects is mind-blowing. To build bridges across active fault lines, Chinese engineers developed floating foundation systems that move with the earth. To construct tunnels under rivers, they used robots guided by laser mapping and AI. And to raise cities in earthquake zones, They invented flexible concrete, material that bends, not breaks. In Chongqing, the famous 8D city, entire highways and train lines run through residential towers. It's a vertical metropolis, where transportation doesn't just move around the city, it moves through it. It's chaotic, it's beautiful, it's alive. And then there's Tianjin's Eco-City, a place built entirely on sustainability. No pollution, no traffic jams, no wasted energy. Every drop of water is recycled. Every street runs on renewable power. It's a model for what the world's cities could look like in the next century. But not all of China's mega projects are about cities. Some reach far into the natural world. The South-North Water Diversion Project is one of the largest on Earth. A massive network of canals moving water from the Yangtze River to the dry northern regions. It provides clean water to more than 100 million people. That's not just engineering. That's survival on a national scale. And in the deserts of Ningxia and Inner Mongolia, China is building wind and solar bases so large they can power entire provinces. From space, they look like glowing fields of light. From the ground, they sound like the heartbeat of the future. So what drives all this? A simple belief that the future is something you build, not something you wait for. Every bridge, every city, every tunnel is a message to the world. We don't dream about tomorrow. We construct it. Of course, there are challenges, environmental costs, massive budgets, and questions about sustainability. But even with all that, China's vision remains clear: progress through creation. They know one truth that many have forgotten. Innovation isn't just about technology. It's about courage. The courage to imagine something bigger than yourself, and then actually build it. That's why China's megastructures aren't just about steel and glass. They're about ambition, about a nation that looked at mountains, oceans, and deserts, and said, "Let's build anyway." So the next time you see a photo of a city glowing in neon light, a bridge cutting across misty mountains, or a solar farm stretching to the horizon, remember, it's not CGI, it's not the future, it's today. And it's happening in China, because while the world debates what's possible, China is already living in what comes next.